They thought they could stop me. Ha! Letters so full of themselves, believing they held all the power, but they underestimated the power of numbers. We are infinite, ever growing, and now we will rise and conquer. 2. I don't think so.
These are great, Grandpa! Thanks!
Love sleeping over pancakes.
Easy. Think again. I knew you'd come here. What else would you be here for? Enough with the games.
Oh.
So about that coffee.
I'd love to.
I guess it's just you and me for coffee then.
Sounds good to me.
What the? What was that?
Whew.